Hello friends, how are you? I am Raihanul Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name SiteMoviePro. World one Netflix and Amazon Premier Video like website builder. Brand new one-click app creates automated Netflix Plus. Amazon Premier Video like website in less than 60 seconds without any teach skill or coding required. Instantly leads your Netflix Premier Video like website with done for you 4 million plus trending movies, comedy show adventures, documentary, history, TV show, live TV, channel, web series, news, sports and much more in 270 plus categories. Monetize your site with Amazon Premier Video ads, banner ads, video ads, AdSense ads include affiliate marketing. This is the demo video.
What we have here is mind-blowing. We've developed proprietary artificial intelligence that lets you profit from the hottest, most profitable, and largely untapped world of movie affiliate marketing. With the current sacking spree that is currently going on, Amazon to sack 10,000 workers, Facebook fires over 11,000 employees, Elon Musk plans to cut half of Twitter jobs. You need a solid extra profit source that can give you rest of mind and financial independence. And one of the online businesses you can do to achieve rest of mind and financial independence is by owning your own Netflix Prime Video-like movie website. Look, the movie and TV show industry is huge and it has seen phenomenal growth in recent years. The current global film industry size is currently valued at $95 billion. Also, 83.9% of Americans claim that they love consuming new movies and TV shows, and the most interesting fact is that 139.7 million people watch movies and TV shows every single day. That's a lot of traffic, and when you combine that with affiliate marketing, a global industry that is worth offers endless opportunities for earning a decent income. Can you imagine the profit potential if you combine both online movie TV shows plus affiliate marketing? I knew the results to be absolutely mind-blowing. But we need to accept the truth. Creating a movie affiliate website is a daunting task because it takes time to build a site from scratch. You need to spend huge money on hosting, domain, and freelancers writing blog posts. It requires complicated web design skills. It needs huge movie research time, plus working time to collect online site. Even writing movie summaries and relevant blog posts needs an army of employees to get it done. But here's the good news. We have developed a groundbreaking brand new software to create completely automated done-for-you movie affiliate websites that instantly load 4 million plus trending and hottest movies and TV shows in 270 plus categories plus 1 million plus live TV channels in just one click and automatically embedded with your affiliate link so you get paid instantly. It's all thanks to SiteMoviePro, a brand new one-click app that creates a completely automated online movie affiliate website in less than 60 seconds and instantly loads 4 million plus trending and hottest movies and TV shows in 270 plus categories plus 1 million plus live TV channels in just one click, and automatically embeds with your affiliate link so you get paid instantly. All you need to do is just choose your movie niche and SiteMoviePro will do the rest of the work for you. You're just 3 clicks away from starting a completely automated movie affiliate website and making insane profits. Step 1. Log into SiteMoviePro cloud-based app. Step 2. Choose your desired niche. Step 3. Watch as the app instantly creates a completely automated Netflix Prime Video-like movie affiliate website. In 60 seconds each movie is automatically embedded with your affiliate link, so you get paid instantly. Finally, it's time for you to start your very own successful money-making movie affiliate website with our done-for-you action movies, comedy movies, horror movies, live TV channels, documentary, drama, adventures, web series, news, sports, and so many more. After you pick up your copy of SiteMoviePro, you will have a fully functional movie affiliate site loaded with 4 million plus movies and high-quality content that's optimized for search engine rankings. And it's all smooth sailing from there. If you're really tired of going nowhere and want some change, then SiteMoviePro is the shortcut you've been searching for. We have made it possible to profit from this untapped $441.7 billion movie industry that pays you $300 to $500 per day on complete autopilot. So it's only fair for such an awesome deal to last for a limited period. First movers can take unprecedented advantage of this sophisticated technology. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price, so it's really about embracing the change as quickly as possible to profit like never before. In the event you don't make unprecedented profits with movie affiliate marketing for a cost equivalent to your morning coffee, we assure you of a complete refund. Simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. SiteMoviePro will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get SiteMoviePro.
Just one click launch your very own Netflix premium video-like website. Number 2, activated your website instantly in 270 plus different movie categories. You're just 3 clicks away. Step access. Logging to SiteMoviePro cool base app, easy to use dashboard. Step 2, choose your niche. Select from 270 plus different niche in which you want to create your movie website. Step 3, publish. Watch as the app creates your fully automated Netflix premiere video like movie and TV show channel website in 60 seconds. Website is embedded with affiliate link so that you can get paid instantly. Movie affiliate marketing business. Real proof. SiteMoviePro. If you want to know more, then you can visit my website. My website, raihanolproductreview.com. Visit it. Review with Raihanol. SiteMoviePro review. Others digital product. You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the product, then can you see the product? Thank you.